I have this portable AC or portable air conditioner. It's 3-in-1, and it's an Amazon purchase. It cools 350 square feet of room, and it has fan. And you can also use this as a dehumidifier. It has a LED display or LED display. You get a remote as well. There's a 24-hour time set if you want, and there's a window kit, so you can definitely install it right away. You don't have to call a tech. Just showing you the actual unit. So it's an Amazon purchase for $200. So it's $199.98 right now plus tax. And I can say that this is, if you have, I have a central AC and it broke, and I had to wait five days to get it fixed. So I'd have to get one temporarily. And this one, this information that you're seeing, it's on the side of the unit. So in case you lose your manual, you have all that you need. And here are here's the connection. So this is what you connect at the back of the unit. All of this are included except for that foil dry vent tape that I use. So I suggest you get a dry, like a tape, like a foil for like dry vent, like a tape for dry vent, because you will need it to secure the connector to outside, for the air to vent outside, the air vent, because it's warm and it gets warmer as as the unit is on longer. And I tried the duct tape, and the duct tape just doesn't work. Your manual will show you how to attach it to the window. It's very easy. Like, if your window is wider, that's much easier because you have extensions, and the extensions, you don't have to do any cutting. There's an adjustment and you lock it in place. If your window though is like 12 inches, you would need a cutter, because it's like longer than that. So that's what you'll have issues with. But it will work with vertical and horizontal opening windows. Very easy to install. I'm just showing you the actual complete installation right now. And here it is in Amazon right now. I did purchase two of them because I needed it for the other room, but in Amazon it's still the same price. And if you want to see more reviews, you do have it here in Amazon. It's like 4.3 out of 5 stars. And you can read the reviews. And this is just the fourth day of my using it. So I will continue updating as I go within the next 30 days.